Hi, I'm Shuang. So this year I'll be one of the senior moderators. So for 6 days, I'll be issuing writing prompts and checking in on the poems that you will create. Basically, there are a few other senior mods who are also first-timer senior mods like me. So I think maybe actually don't expect anything. Everything's going to be really fresh and exciting. So just show up and be surprised. SingPoWriMo really helped to push me out of my comfort zone. Instead of just writing stuff based on my feelings, I was actually being challenged to write about other themes in my life that I didn't really think about before, and writing in new forms and experimenting more. Just do it because what's there to lose, right? In the end, I think you will really enjoy trying new things and growing as a writer. So, don't hesitate and just join. One major thing about SingPoWriMo is the community, and you really need to take that step to engage with other people who are also in the group. So, to read other people's posts, leave comments, and it's a very reciprocal thing. So, when you support other people, people support you, and that's how you really survive SingPoWriMo.